The overall goal of this procedure is to generate correctly folded, purified influenza hemagglutinin and neuraminidase surface glycoprotein for immunological assays and vaccination experiments. This is accomplished by first cloning the recombinant BACMID carrying influenza genes, followed by generation of recombinant baculoviruses. The second step is to use these recombinant baculoviruses to express hemagglutinin and neuraminidase proteins in insect cells. Next, the recombinant proteins are purified from the cell culture supernatant using affinity chromatography. The final step is to characterize these proteins to ensure good quality and biological functionality. Ultimately, the recombinant proteins are used to investigate immune responses to the influenza virus surface glycoproteins.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods like bacterial expression of HA1, for example, is that the purified antigens are correctly folded and remain biologically active. Also, as opposed to using whole virus preparations for immunological assays, these reagents allow for measuring immune responses against the hemagglutinin and neuraminidase proteins only.
Begin this protocol with generation of recombinant baculovirus as described in the text protocol. Working aseptically in a laminar flow hood, plate SF9 insect cells in 6-well plates at a density of 200,000 cells per square centimeter.